Hey, in this video we'll learn to use the desk view in YAG. So using the desk is not always very comfortable because it can pop up in the middle of the scene and mess our view. We can avoid that by pinning it somewhere. Okay, for example, let's say here. But then there's another problem. We have to switch back and forth between the action scene and the desk, and this is where the desk view comes in handy. So using the numerical keyboard key 0 and 1, we can quickly switch view. So by pressing 1, I call the desk and go to it, and by pressing 0, I dismiss the desk and I'm back to the scene. Note that when I press 1, YAG records my current position before sending me to the desk, and it's the one that will be used when I press 0. Okay, so when I'm on the desk, I can move and do whatever I want, and it will bring me where I came from. Okay, now if I press 1 again while on the desk, then my new player's view will be the new one, and I lose memory of my previous location. So for example, let's go here. I press 1, and then when I press 0, I'm back to this location and not the previous one. Okay. So all in all, when I press 0, I will be sent back to the place I was the last time I pressed 1. Alright, so it's important we understand what we're doing when we use those keys. Okay, an important feature that comes with this is we can customize the desk view with this interface here. So it's a manual offset for the 3 coordinates of our view. For example, we can put the camera higher by modifying the Z coordinates. Let's try 500 here. Okay, you can see we are a bit higher, and we can go a bit on the right. So let's put 400 here, and when I press 1, I'm a little bit high and on the right. Okay. And finally, this button resets everything to 0. Fine. So this can be very useful to customize our UI according to our taste. So let's see 2 examples. First, we can just shift the camera to the right to see only the character sheet. So I already know the correct number here. Okay. We see only the character sheet, and we can use the pinned journal from the UI to keep everything in view here. And when it's my turn to play, I just select my character. I have my character sheet, as you can see here. I have the scene and I have the result of the dice, and it's quite handy. I can do anything I want until being sent back to my previous location. Okay, so that would be this one. Okay, so very easily. Another way to use that feature, let's get rid of the journal here. Let's move the desk somewhere else, and we're going to do a bit of a setup here. We're going to increase the size of the desk, okay, by modifying its scale. Then we are going to reset the position here. We're going to call the initiative tray and put it on the top left, like here. And finally, we're going to pin the initiative tray as well. Okay, so now that everything is set up, I can just go wherever my scene is, and when it's my turn to play, I just press 1, and I'm sent to a full screen UI with my character sheet, with the initiative tray. I can roll my dice, see the result in the dice. I can reset all the initiative, recompute them, and so on. Okay, and when I'm done, I just press 0 and I'm back to the scene. Okay, and it's all available in one click once it's set up. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video if it's the case, and as always, thanks and bye.